Hi. It's been a while since I've made a video. The reason I'm doing it now is because it is pretty windy outside. As you can probably tell, I have 3 pumpkins. Yeah, I don't know where the third one is, but yeah, I have yet to carve them. Uh, my mom and stepmom are out of town, but they are coming back today, as I believe. From what I've been told, my uncle and my step uncle and step grandmother were supposed to come due to a fire, something like that. Yeah, I just got done doing the dishes or putting them away. So, anyway, they were supposed to come today, but I was told the front door was locked, but I checked it and it's not. I'll check again. Yep. Wow. Yeah, so I texted my mom saying that it's unlocked, but she has not responded yet. I, yeah, I let my dog Aloysius out. He'll be fine. But yeah, that happened. So I've been kind of stressed lately. Not because it's windy. I mean, I just I just found that out today. The reason is because my my friend Chris, whom I met a few weeks ago, told me that he had no plans for this Halloween. So I recommended we do something like go to Six Flags or Universal Studios, to which I'm favoring Universal Studios the most. But the thing is, I have not made arrangements for either of which, and that's why I'm all stressed out. I'm gonna have to call him, Chris, and see what if he has any advice for me, or call my mom and see what she can do about it. So, I've not had coffee or breakfast, so I'm gonna have to arrange that soon. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, click the like button, comment down below, and hopefully you know the rest.